Hello! Good afternoon, guys! It's Friday, TGIF. It's already 2 ng hapon. And medyo wala ako masyadong energy. Like, not the usual energy na mayroon ako. Kasi hindi ako nag-coffee this morning. Hindi ko nagustuhan yung coffee namin. Mukona yung binili namin. Ako yung pumili. Sabi nila, hindi mo yun magugustuhan. Bilhin mo na lang yung original. Tapos ito, pangalan niya Rich Mukona. Something like that. Sabi ko, it was on sale. So I was like, I will try that because it's rich. So it's maybe stronger or whatever. And I didn't like it. Ibang-iba siya. Na-miss ko na yung aking 3-in-1 na coffee. So sabi ko, hindi muna ako magko-coffee. Kasi sobrang dependent ko na din sa coffee na every single day nagko-coffee ako. So I was like, kahapon, uminom ako ng coffee pero konting-konti lang. Hindi ko siya naubos kasi hindi ko siya nagustuhan. And then, di ba nagpunta kami sa... nung nagpunta kami sa Rondo Mall, sa Nespresso doon, on Sunday, and tinry namin yung pink na limited edition na coffee pod nila. I actually like that coffee. Doon. Di ko alam, there's something wrong kasi tinry ko siya ulit dito na sa bahay and iba na yung taste niya and I was like, nope, too bland para sa akin. Hindi siya like coffee tasting enough para sa akin. So, hindi ko siya nagustuhan. Tapos yung mukha na hindi ko din nagustuhan. So yeah, I didn't have coffee today. I just wanna say, I didn't have coffee. So yeah, and I need to film. Gusto ko mag-film ng favorites video kasi that video needs to be up on Monday. And if you guys are here, if you guys have been watching, alam nyo na I don't film on weekends. I was gonna say Wednesday. What? I do film, yes, vlog, but not like sit-down videos. Hindi ko alam kung magko-coffee ako. Siguro pagdating namin sa bahay ng kapatid niya kasi yung dinner today. What the heck was that? Nakakaloka yung sasakyan na yun. Yung dinner today is sa bahay ng kambal ni Dan. So, doon kami magdi-dinner. Siguro magko-coffee ako doon. Kasi masarap yung coffee nila. Yung coffee namin hindi masarap. I'll go ahead and put some makeup on and then I will film my February favorites video. I should stop talking. Sabi ko wala akong energy pero yung bibig ko bula-bula yung aking bibig. Hello! Punta kami sa bahay ng kambal ni Dan. Maglalakad lang kami kasi malapit lang yung bahay ng kambal niya dito. You ready, babe?
Yeah, where's the key?
The key? To the house?
Yeah.
Here.
Is that? Okay.
You look good! This is from True Wood! The glasses. Yeah, it's from True Wood, guys. So this is wood right here. I got him 2 pairs. Oh. I got him 2 pairs and then we got watches from True Wood as well. Where's the watch? Are you gonna wear it? Can we show them the watch, right? Here. Ito yung watch from True Wood. And then I have mine as well in brown, but I haven't used it yet. Sige, let's go. Are you gonna wear flip-flops?
Yep.
Sige, me too. It's kind of like 10-15 minute walk. Or maybe 20. 20, 25. Dang! I think I checked the weather. It's 25. Should I bring my camera or should I not?
If you want. Up to you.
Because we will be... Nah, I'll just leave it here. I'm not gonna vlog there anyway. Okay, bye guys! I'll leave you, bye. Good morning, guys. No makeup today. I will go sa friend ni Dan. Magpapaano ako ng makeup para sa wedding. So, mayroon tawag dun, diba? Parang... Yeah, makeup, I don't know. Makeup test, whatever. Pero our garage door is working! Finally! A lot of people are walking early in the morning. Baseball?
Cricket.
Oh, cricket. Cricket. Ito yung pinalit nila bago. Ito yung dati. So, pinalitan talaga pati yung track. Ito, oh. Oh well, let's go. Oops, what's that, babe? I'm wearing this top, black top na wearing New York, Tokyo, LA, and then this long cardigan, as in super long niya. Siguro kasing haba niya yung ano ko, jeans ko. This is from Kmart, and then my jeans from Fashion Nova, and then my backpack from Zafol. My babe looks good. Top from Kmart, shorts from Kmart.
I'm Kmart.
Sunny's from Kerwin. Kerwin, you look good. Your watch? No. Okay, I don't know where that's from.
Bali.
Bali. Wow. We will stop by Hungry Jack's to get me my coffee. Because we know. We know someone needs coffee here. Kahapon hindi ako nag-coffee, diba? Pero I ended up having coffee in the afternoon. So, hindi ako nakatulog ng maaga kagabi. I slept at 3, babe! Yep. Kasi nag-coffee ako hapon na. Wala kasi talaga ako sa mood. Kapag hindi ako nag-coffee, wala. Sobrang grumpy ko. Nice song. Got my iced coffee.
Thank you.
Jacks. And then, we got hash brown as well. And then toasty. And then coffee for them as well right here. Okay, Jack. Yummers. Thank you, babe. Wow. Frozen coffee, babe. Interesting. Look at this car, just chilling on there. It's a casino, so you will get a chance to win that car. BMW, babe. That's actually a good one. That's gonna be a good family car, babe. Or is it big? Is it small?
Oh, it's a small one.
Is it? Just like
a bigger hatchback.
Yeah, hatchback. Hello, pupunta kami sa Manila Trading. I'll get ding-dongs. Tinanggal ko yung makeup ko. Yung ano lang natira lashes. Iba yung contacts na ginamit ko today. I don't remember what brand, pero henna brown yung color niya. Dito kami sa Manila Trading ulit. Ding-dong, chippy.
Okay, sorry.
Spaghetti? No, the sweet style. This is tomato sauce, babe. This is not spaghetti sauce.
Have it?
No. They have this Filipino style.
That'd be the same.
No, it's not.
It's not?
Nope. It is the same brand, but not the same style. Not the same style. What is this? Hello, look it. Ano ba to? Panutsa? Ano yung panutsa? Sugar palm daw. I don't know what that is. Yung, oh my gosh, ito. Sobrang nagustuhan ni Dan yung reviews ko. Yeah, you love it, right? Dang. If only they have a growers spicy, I will buy it. But they don't. They only have this. Garlic and oriental. Yung aking mata nakakaloka. We're off. Let's go to Meyer. He wants to eat the soy sauce chicken. That's good. Go to Meyer. Malapit lang pala. Lagi akong pupunta na random mo. Tapos hindi ako pupunta sa Manila Trading kasi sabi ko hindi ko alam papunta dito. Eh, ang dali lang pala. Diba, Ben? Yes. Yan yung binili namin. Mga chips para sa akin. The usual barbecue chicken, soy sauce chicken and then barbecue pork. Sedan, soy sauce chicken at saka salt and pepper squid. Yum. Kain. Peach iced tea, of course. Kain. Yum. This guy got a shirt. Yes. What are you doing?
I got shorts.
Oh, shorts. Shorts pala. Yay. High five. High five. Low five. Good job. It's good. Hindi ka ako nag-vlog kasi, I was focused. I was focused. Si Kuya, tinitingnan ako. Tapos si Ate, siniko ako. Siniko. Punta kami sa Shields. How do you pronounce that?
What?
I will look for earrings. Earrings. I need a... Ooh, look at babe. Hello, babe. This is cute. Look at. Those are small. That's what I'm looking for. Something like that. This one. Right? Dito kami sa Just Jeans. May nagustuhan sila na shirt. Kaya lang wala yung size niya. Ay! Malaki. So, tinatanong niya kung pwede nila, kung magsastock sila noon anytime soon. So, hello babe, this one is good as well. This is gonna go with your shorts right now. Oh, dang, I'm an expert. Going to Cotton On. Naghanap pa rin kami ng shirt ni Dan. Hello, pupunta kami sa Elizabeth. Kasi si Dan, napunta kami sa Just Jeans, was it, babe?
Yeah.
Just Jeans. And may nakita ako, pinatry ko sa kanya, nagustuhan niya ng bongga, but wala yung size niya. They have it in Elizabeth. He's like, we will go there. Tapos ang layo. Pero okay lang sa akin. I don't mind. I love shopping. Pero, yeah, nagustuhan namin yung bongga. He will wear it sa kanyang bak show. Groom's shower? Is that a thing? Yeah, bak show, but it's called different in the Philippines. It's not bak show in the Philippines. Yung parang, diba, sa babae, bridal shower. Yung sa lalaki, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag nila sa ganyan. Pero yeah, bak show niya malapit na. I know, great car park. Good job, babe. Right in the shade. Nice view for your car as well. Good one. Daan muna kami dito sa Hungry Jack's to buy frozen mango. Kasi sabi ni Dan, it's gonna be 40-minute drive. Yeah?
Yep.
It's far. We will be thirsty. Do you want to get the same thing, or do you want to get? Hello, babe. Do you have the sour bone?
Yep.
$2. Do you want something to eat?
No.
I have some change here.
Yeah,
We can use my change.
Can I get a frozen mango? A chicken fries?
Yeah.
And a
Barista.
deluxe thick shake, please. Thick barista one.
Sorry, which one was that?
Deluxe thick shake with cream cookie pieces.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's not coffee at all. And would you like anything else?
That's a lot, thank you.
No worries. Thank you.
Thank you.
I thought you were getting coffee.
Yeah, it's like a coffee thing.
It's not coffee.
I'm not sure what it is.
It's not coffee. It's a shake with tons of shit in it.
I'm not sure what's in it. I never really had a chance.
You had a chance. You were looking at it. Gosh, jeez. This guy.
Okay.
Cheat day. Again.
Every day is a cheat.
Every day.
Every day is a cheat.
Hello! Paalis na naman kami, guys. Pupunta kami sa Fringe. Meron kami show na papanoorin. So, hindi ako nag-vlog sa Elizabeth kanina kasi kinuha lang talaga namin yung shirt ni Dan. Tapos nagpunta kami sa isang shop and then umalis. Yun lang talaga. And nag-rest kami siguro dito ng mga isang oras. Tapos, we will go to the Fringe. We will watch a circus show.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm wearing this top that, actually, you got it for me, babe. This one, remember? Yeah, from that Chinese store in the city. This is a good one, yeah. So that's my top, and then my jeans from Fashion Nova, and then yung belt ko, I think from Supre. And then my bag is from Zaful. I'll be wearing my white sneakers. And, oh, ito din. Dadalhin ko yung aking leather jacket. Hala! Oh gosh, my bag is open. Leather jacket. Kasi magiging malamig tonight. From Target. Okay, let's go. You look really good, babe. OTD. You look really good. He's wearing the blue shoes na nabili niya sa Landmark. It's actually really nice. Look at those. Nice. Shorts, bago. Shirt, bago. Ito po yung nakuha namin sa Elizabeth kanina. Kaloka totoo. Ito gusto niya isuot. Like, okay. Okay. Ikaw na, babe. Ikaw na. You already. Do you know what that means?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
I mean, you do the best.
You love my socks? Sabi niya, tsaka yung socks na binigay ko. Look at you!
That's great.
Babe, you're overdressed.
That's cute. Let's go.
Babe, you're overdressed.
Good. Good. I like to be overdressed.
You should say, who cares? Let's go.
Front up, like, where are you going?
Oh, yeah. Our garage door is working. Uy, remote. Dito na kami sa city, guys. And, yeah, maglalakad lang kami. Malapit lang nakahanap si Dan ng parking na maganda dito. There's no parking fee on weekends, right, babe? Most places?
Depends.
Depends.
Away from the shopping area, there's no parking fee, but the shopping part, like Rundle Mall part, around those places you get there is.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You look good, babe.
But I'm a curry pot.
Okay, popcorn, yummers. Dito na kami, guys. Papakita ko sa inyo, ha? May itsura. So, merong magsi-circus dyan mamaya. Africa Circus, yung Africa Circus there. Tapos na, sobrang ganda guys. As in, it was really good, right babe?
It's awesome.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's really good. And how much was it, babe? 30 bucks each?
30 bucks each.
30 bucks each. So, kung nandito kasi Adelaide, tapos Fringe Festival, I highly recommend. We highly recommend. Highly recommend the Cirque Africa. It's really good. And then we will go to
Garden of Unearthly Delights.
Okay. Let's go. You said you wanted to eat those pork?
Yeah.
Okay. Yung pork na pinakita ko sa last vlog ko, yung mayroong ano, yung sa apoy, yung pork, yeah. Yun yung kakainin namin. Where are we, babe?
Sushi train.
Sushi train. Sobrang busy sa ano kanina sa Fringe. So dito na lang kami pumunta. Sa sushi na lang kami. Sushi train.
Babe. Got a drink? Hello, can we grab like an iced tea?
Tea. We also have green tea and we want to like non-sugar.
I just want peach iced tea.
Yeah, peach.
What do you like, babe?
Just still looking.
Ooh.
Sorry.
Where's the price of those heads?
Do you want this, babe? Deep fried chicken? Or no? Nope. No. That is salmon volcano. Salmon volcano. Do you want some? Oh, do you want me to choose? Okay, I'm still looking. This one looks good. What is this? Oh, I don't know what that is. I suck at this. Hala, dessert na, babe. Dessert already. Go ahead and pick. Don't wait for me. Ooh, yum. Ooh, yum. That's good. They have that. They have that. They have this. Literally just that. Sino kakain yan? Kaloka. Ang healthy siguro nakakain yan. Okay, I think I'll get this one, babe. No, I don't know. Tapos na kami. Konti lang yung nakain ko. Busog na ako. Yeah. Dami namin kinain today. Yum. Yung dessert, ang sarap. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag. Pero medyo spongy cake na merong cream sa loob. Yum. You full, babe? I love your top. I love your shirt.
Me too.
Nah, looks good. We are home. It's a great night. Really, really long day. As in, we're out and about the whole day today. And whole night as well. Anyway, I will go ahead and wash my face. Tatanggalin ko tong mga individual lashes. Nilagyan niya ako ng individual lashes. Tinanggal ko na yun dito sa pinakadulo kanina kasi ang hahaba. Pero yung iba nandito pa. So, meron pa ako mga individual lashes dito sa gitna. See? Anyway, I will just wash my face. And last night ko nagagamitin itong Lululun. 7 days na a mask. So, I have been using this for straight 7 nights now. Ngayon yung pinaka last. Isa na lang natira. And it's looking good. My face looking good. Not bad at all. I like it. Anyway, I will post my vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Good night, babe.
Good night.
Thank you, babe. Ha ha ha.